Did you notice that your spending changes as the year goes on and as the seasons shift? Or perhaps the fact that your purchases alter with the seasons? The thing is, in different seasons, you'll have different needs, so you'll have to change how you spend your money based on what you need and what you don't. Welcome to Abon V. In today's video, we're going to talk about 7 changes you need to make to your finances before winter. So stick to the video, keep watching, and let's dive in. Number 1. Double check your budget. Your budget spending categories, which can include things like household bills, eating out, fixed expenses, and more, can and probably will change as the seasons change. The best you can do is to make sure you reevaluate your budget to fit the changes in your life. For example, if you spend more time at home, your utility bills will as well go up. Whether you update your budget every week, every month, or with each paycheck, take the time to make any changes to your spending categories so that you are ready for winter spending. This means that you should update your spending with your favorite budgeting software before winter comes. Your extra money might need to go toward a shopping budget for gifts or to buy more things for your home. But keep your budget flexible so it can fit the way you spend your money in the winter. Number 2. Prepare for an increase in your household costs. During the colder months, you spend more time at home, so you usually use more heat, electricity, and appliances. Don't be surprised by your utility bills in the winter. Plan for a rise in household costs before it's time to hibernate during the colder months. So, set aside more money for household costs and make changes to your budget to account for higher utility bills and other costs related to keeping your home in good shape during the winter. Check with your utility company to see if they have any cost-effective ways for you to save money on your utility bills in the winter. Many of them do have peak saving days they recommend or tips on how you can use less energy throughout the season to lower your bill. You also might want to leave room in your budget for home maintenance related to the weather, like clearing snow or sealing your doors and windows to keep the heat in. Damage caused by winter weather to many homes can wipe out your savings, especially if you aren't ready. So make sure you put aside more money in your budget for your home to cover any unexpected costs that the winter may bring. Number 3. Save up for the holidays early. As soon as the weather gets better, the holidays are just around the corner, which means it's almost time to give gifts. This winter, don't let gift buying for the holidays hurt your wallet. Instead, plan ahead and put money aside just for the holidays. Getting ready for the holidays can be hard, especially if you don't have enough money. Check your finances to see how you can get more money for gifts, holiday travel, decorations, and other plans for the holiday season. Make a plan for holiday shopping by making a list of everyone you want to buy for, how much you want to spend on each gift, and where the money is coming from in your budget. This winter, make a plan for when you will start and stop spending on gifts for family and friends, as it is easy to spend too much on gifts for the holidays. Spending time with family and friends during the holidays can also hurt your finances. Plan your travel budget ahead of time by taking advantage of any travel deals and saving up for all of the costs. Number 4. Get ready ahead of time for tax season. Tax season doesn't wait for anyone, and neither does time. If the thought of doing your taxes next year is already making you sweat and you feel unprepared, you are not alone. Take a closer look at your finances before the start of the new year to get ready for tax season this winter. Gather up all of your tax papers and receipts from the past year so that you don't forget anything next year when it's tax time. This could include any costs that can be broken down from working from home, unemployment benefits from being fired or put on unpaid leave, or moving costs that may be reimbursed. Before the end of the year, use the winter to do research and find a trusted tax professional or tax software you can use. This will give you time to plan your filings. You have to find out early on how much you might owe in taxes next year and get ahead of the game. Number 5. Change the way you spend money. Being inside more in the winter will probably make you want to order more online instead of going out to eat and shopping at your favorite stores. So you have to change your budget to account for the different ways you'll spend money this winter. This winter, you might put more money in your budget to have your basic household and beauty items delivered instead of going to the store. This will save you time and protect your health before flu season starts. Be ready to make room in your budget for the change in how often you eat out. You might need to make plans for extra money so that you can buy more groceries instead of going out when it gets cold. Shopping for and taking care of your winter clothes will also cost you a few extra dollars. If you live in a colder place, be ready to spend a little more on clothes. Winter clothes are usually a little more expensive to buy during the season. So before it gets cold, look around for things like coats, gloves, scarves, and boots that you might need. If you try to guess what your spending habits might look like as winter approaches, you can change your budget in advance to get a better idea of how winter might affect your finances and your way of life. Number 6. Join a loyalty program. Signing up for loyalty programs can help you take advantage of seasonal deals and discounts and make your money go further, especially since the cost of living crisis has made prices go up for almost everything, including food and fuel. So, whether you're new to loyalty programs or just want an easy way to save more money on your food bill, signing up for one of these supermarket loyalty programs is free and can help you save a lot of money without any hidden fees. They may also give you the best deal on products. So, if you haven't used one of the many loyalty programs yet, it only takes a few minutes to sign up and could save you money on your weekly food budget before prices go up again. Number 7. Inspect your vehicle. The best time to make sure your car is in great shape is before the worst of the winter weather hits. This means checking your battery, making an appointment for a service, and putting on winter tires. For most cars, this only takes a few minutes of maintenance. No matter how old or new your car is, driving in cold weather is never a good idea. If you don't find any underlying problem, your car won't be ready for winter, and it will make you spend unexpected amounts of money. Conclusion: getting ready for the colder months means more than just pulling out your old coats and sweaters. You also need to get your finances ready so you can plan for the change in how much you spend, especially if you're trying to get back on your feet after a hard year. Your budget will, of course, change as the weather does. The seasons can affect your finances, whether it's setting aside a little more money for brunch with your friends in the summer or opening a whole new savings account for holiday gift giving in the winter. Once you know and do all these things, we're sure the sound of winter coming wouldn't be as scary anymore. That's it for today. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.